Yes, hello everyone. Tonight the first live shows of the quarterfinals of AGT starting, and let's dive into my favorites, and one of them is the talent Double Dragon performs It's Raining Man. So let's see.
Alright, you got it. Yes!
Oh,
guys.
poor old woman.
Who are you, please?
I am Andrea. And I'm Irene. We both together are Double Dragon.
Wow. Okay, where are you from?
We are from San Francisco, California, but we are originally from Lima, Peru.
And just tell me how old you both are.
I am 31.
Okay.
We are 31, Andrea.
You guys are twins.
See, we both are twins.
Got it. Could have started with that. Okay. Tell me about why you came on the show. I'm curious.
We would like to think that we are more than just singers. We are a performance.
Yes.
We are performers. And what we actually like is make people happy.
And is this what you do as a day job?
We work in customer service.
Okay. Okay, enough questions. The stage is yours, and I hope the next 2 minutes changes your life.
Thank you.
Amen.
It did.
Hola, America's Got Talent.
It's raining man.
Yes.
Hey man, I'm gonna go now. I'm gonna let myself get absolutely soaking wet. God bless Mother Nature. She's just sing the one man do. She took out of heaven, saying, and she did what she got to do. She taught every angel to rearrange the sky, so that each and every woman find the perfect guy. The moon is rising, rising, bottom of getting low. Oh, for the first time in history, it's gonna start raining men.
I have to give it to them. I mean, there were fabulous Latinas who sing this fabulous song with those pizzazzed outfit, and I was like, yes, girl, hunty, yes. It was fabulous, and yeah, I think they are. Yeah, I don't think they are still competing, but anyway, fabulous girls, yes.